Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about simulation of RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp. So a phase shift oscillator is an electronic oscillator circuit which produces sine wave output. In RC phase shift oscillator, 180-degree phase shift is generated by the RC network and another 180-degree is generated by the op-amp. So the resulting wave is inverted by 360-degree. So this is a circuit diagram wherein we are going to use op-amp, resistors and capacitors. These are acting as a RC network and we have used a potentiometer here. So let's begin with the simulation of RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp. So we are going to use Multisim software 11.0 version. So we'll see how to simulate this circuit RC phase shift oscillator using Multisim simulator. So first of all, place all the components. So in this, we need to select place, select component. So in the group option, we require analog, go to analog, select op-amp, click on OK. So place the op-amp symbol. Then we require resistors, capacitors. So again, select a component, change the option to basic. In this, we are going to select resistors, place OK. In this RC phase shift oscillator, we require 3 resistors. So select all the resistors component. Then select capacitor. We require 2 capacitors here. Select the capacitors. And we require potentiometer. So select the potentiometer. Click on OK. Then select the power source. So click on power sources. Select VCC. Click on OK. Then select negative supply VE. Click on OK. Then select ground. Click on OK. Now all the components have been selected. Now we'll rig up the circuit. Now place power supply VCC at pin number 7. In this way you need to connect it. Then select VEE. Make it as 90-degree clockwise. Place it at pin number 4. Pin number 4 is connected here. Then connect the resistors. One resistor is connected here. Then place the capacitors. Then another capacitor placed here. This resistors. Make it as 90-degree clockwise. Connect it across this. And one more capacitor. Select it. Place it here. Now make the connections. From pin number 2, this is connected. Connect it to pin number 2. Then this R, it is connected to capacitor C. And from C to C, you need to connect. And this resistor is connected in this way. One more capacitor we require here. Place it across this. Make the connections. Then connect this R2. Then connect this resistor to resistor. And this capacitor Connect it to pin number 6, and pin number 3 is grounded. Place it here, pin number 3 grounded, and place the potentiometer. Connect it across this from pin number 2 to 6. Pin number 2 is connected, and from this connect to pin number 6. So now this is connected now. Now we need to change the values of the capacitors as well as this resistors. Ground, connect it here, take it as a common ground. The circuit is connected. Now we need to change the values of power supply. Double click on this, make it as 15 voltage, click on OK. Then similarly select this negative supply, 15, OK. Then this potentiometer value, change it as 50 kilo ohm. Click on OK. Then the value of this resistor, we need it is as 1.2 kilo ohm. Click on OK. Then this is 1 kilo ohm. This is 1 kilo ohm. And the capacitor values, change it to 0.01. 0.01 microfarad. Click on OK. 0.01 microfarad. Okay. Again change this. 0.01 microfarad. Click on OK. Now the connections has been done. All the connections. So we are not giving any input in this RC phase shift oscillator. So without giving the input, we need to generate the oscillations. So pin number 6, it is for the output. We need to connect to the oscilloscope. So select the oscilloscope, drag it, so this pin A, connect it to pin number 6, and another one connect it to common ground. That is common ground, it is connected. So now the circuit is done. You need to save this. Save. Yes. Then simulate. Run. Now change the time scale now. You can change the time division. Now this is the oscillation generated for RC phase shift oscillator. You can change the time scale also. So these are the oscillation generated for 1 millisecond per division. So this is all about the simulation of RC phase shift oscillator using multisim. Thank you.